Hey guys, it's me, Kinghuman. I know it's too good to be true, but it's true. Let the doves fly, let the trumpets blow. Whee! So, here's what's doing. I might be able to make you guys some dough, so pay attention. You might get like 10 grand in cash. And I would hand it to you, 10 grand in cash with an NFT situation. So we all know NFTs are huge right now. That's big bucks. So I'm going to try and make this really short, this video really short and sweet, so I don't waste your time. I know it's Christmas Eve or whatever you people celebrate, you stupid shit. But anyway, here's what's doing. I made an NFT. Now this NFT is going to pay 10 grand to some lucky people. I don't know the details yet. It's just a rough concept in my head. First, let me show you the NFTs. I got 3 of them. So this is the first one. This one's called the Dark Drop. And this NFT is kind of the entry-level NFT. And it is my NFT, Kinghuman, right? So I want to give this away for free. But I'm not sure I'm going to be able to because it's complicated. In order for me to give this NFT away for free, it's going to take a lot of time because I have to manually send it to people to their wallets. I don't know. If there's an automated way to do that, let me know. And I'll set this up so that you guys can get this NFT for free. Now, who knows? Maybe this NFT will become valuable in the future. It's kind of doubtful. But there's a back end to this NFT. This NFT, owning this NFT, will qualify a certain segment of people to get to the next level NFT, which is the Golden Drop NFT. And this NFT, as you can see here, is going to have a lot of prizes attached to it, because you can attach prizes to an NFT, right? You can give certain things, they attach right to the NFT. I can't explain it now. And I'm not an NFT genius by any chance, but I pretend to be one on TV. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then owning that NFT will qualify you to get the Platinum Drop NFT, which the ultimate prizes will be $10,000 in cash. Now, I'm not really locked into these prizes, so I'm thinking 10 grand in cash would be a good prize. But you know what would be other good prizes? Would be things like a done-for-you website that makes money, right? So if I set up like an affiliate campaign and I set up the entire website, I host it for you, I do everything, I set it up, it makes, I don't know, 5-10 grand a month. I pay for all the hosting. I even pay for your first, I don't know, year of advertising, right? And I set everything up so that it's up and running, and all you have to do after a year is just plug in your advertising budget to it and get it rolling. Now, that website could either be an affiliate product website, or it could be something like a physical goods website, right? E-commerce website. I've been getting into e-commerce a lot lately, and it's really interesting. There's so many things going on with that. So anyway, those are kind of 3 concepts I'm dealing with in my mind as far as prizes for people that get the Platinum Drop NFT. And I don't know how many winners there'll be, maybe 3 winners, and then of that like grand prize, and then smaller prizes, I don't know. So anyway, here's what's doing. I need your help, right? First of all, give me suggestions on what you think good prizes would be for people that get these NFTs on each level. Even the bottom level, right? Even the Dark Drop, I'm going to probably put a bunch of prizes in those NFTs. So that's number 1. make comments. Let me know what you think prizes should be, how I should really structure this. I want your input, and I am listening and I am watching. And share this video with other people, because that's what makes NFTs valuable, is you're building a community. And that brings me to point number 2, where I need your help. I want to hire somebody, and I could be you, to build a community for these NFTs and for this big NFT drop. Big drop. It's not a big drop. It's just a concept right now. But if I can find somebody that's qualified and knows how to do this, how to set up a Discord and how to build a community and how to really, you know, get publicity and hype this stuff up, I'll hand it over to you as the NFT media manager, and I will hire you and I will pay you a fair wage. I don't know what that is. If you want to get paid in NFTs, that's fine too. Whatever you want, right? So it's kind of like a stock option. If you want like, you know, 5 of the, or 10 of the platinum drop NFTs, we can work that out. Whatever, we could work it out. My point is, if you're qualified and you know how to do this NFT, you know, media situation, hit me up. Let's form a partnership and see what we can do. So that's it. Those are the 2 points. Give me all your feedback. And the third thing I need, I can't get my fingers. Okay. Third thing is for you guys to share this video, because it's going to create some pre-launch hype or pre-drop hype. And again, because you guys are going to get the NFTs, right? You're going to get NFTs. The more people that hype into it, the more valuable your NFT will become in the future. So that's what's doing. I may make some other designs for these NFTs rather than just having these 3. I'll probably have some like anime NFTs on the back end. They'll be animated like these. They'll be like anime cards in a display case that will revolve, and, you know. So any one of these, you'll be getting certain different kinds of animated character NFTs, 3D modeling, you know. This is just the splash NFT, if you will. So let me take a drink here because I'm losing my mind. So anyway, okay. The other thing, if you know of a way for me to easily deliver these NFTs for free to people without manually having to copy and paste in wallet addresses and do it. I'm lazy. I don't want to be doing this stuff, right? I don't want to be doing any work. I'm beyond work. So if you know a way to do that, then let me know. Otherwise, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put these on OpenSea. For example, the Dark Drop NFTs, I'll put them on OpenSea, and I'll have like a minimal price on them, like $1 or $5 or something like that. And the only reason I would charge anything is because that automates the process, right? And I don't have to manually deliver them. It goes through the OpenSea transaction platform, universe, whatever. So all I would have to do is upload these to OpenSea. Now, in order to get these, you're going to have a MetaMask wallet and an OpenSea account, unless there's a better platform. You guys let me know. Give me all of your feedback on this. I know there's a lot of options now. When I first got into NFTs, OpenSea was the game. Now I know there are other things out there. Now, I did set up the OpenSea so that there's 0 gas fees, if you guys know what that means. Because, anyway, go look at my previous video on this where I gave away NFT. And I showed you guys how to make your own NFTs in like 3 minutes. You can make, launch, and host your own NFT on OpenSea and do it with 0 gas fees. I knew that video wouldn't interest anybody outside of a small circle of friends, but I put it out there anyway. And I gave away the NFT that I made on that video, but the guy never responded back. So, you know, I asked him for his MetaMask wallet. I never got a reply. So that's still up for grabs. If you have a MetaMask wallet and you went and watched that, or I'll tell you what. Okay, I know this was supposed to be a short video. Okay, here's the deal. Go look at the previous video so you can see what that NFT was that I built in front of your eyes. And if you want it for free, drop your MetaMask address below, and I'll pick somebody at random and I'll send it to them. And I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I think I hid a prize inside that NFT. It's been a while, so I don't remember if I did or not. Meaning, once you get that NFT, there is a bonus that you can unlock. And I don't know. Again, I don't remember if I did that or not. I'm thinking I did. Okay, enough of my stupidity. Maximum respect. All the best. Bayonara, cheers. Let's see what happens. Share this video. Help me out. Help me out. Find somebody. If you're not the guy to do the work, find me somebody to do the... Okay, win an NFT.